Greeting viewers.
Ah, birds, magnificent creatures of the sky. Determining the most beautiful bird species is quite subjective, as preferences may vary from person to person. However, here are my top 10 picks for bird species that are often considered to be stunning in their beauty. Number 10. Golden Finch. Renowned for its stunning multicolored plumage, the golden finch is often considered one of the most beautiful colored small birds. They look magnificent because of their colorful feathers. Number 9. Lilacbreasted Roller. This African bird captivates with its beautiful lilac and blue-green plumage, making it a true gem of the avian world. It is very beautiful and calm. The color of its feather is very vibrant. Number 8. Wilson Bird of Paradise. Known for its elaborate plumage and court-shaped display, the Wilson Bird of Paradise exhibits a mesmerizing combination of vibrant colors. It is a very great bird. Number 7. Atlantic Puffin. With its colorful beak, bright orange feet, and distinct marking, the Atlantic Puffin is an adorable and charming seabird. You can mostly find this bird at the sea. Number 6. Victoria Crown Pigeon. The Victoria Crown Pigeon stands out with its unique Caroline blue feathers, intricate head crest, and vibrant red eyes. The Victoria Crown Pigeon is of course named after Queen Victoria. Number 5. Resplendent Quetzal. Large spectacular dragon of humid evergreen and pine. Evergreen forest in the mountains of southern Mexico and Central America. It is the national bird of Guatemala. Usually rather shy but can be found feeding quietly at fruiting trees. Male is unmistakable with long emerald plumes flowing out behind in flight or blowing in the wind when perched. Number 4. Scarlet Macau. The Scarlet Macau, with its vivid red, blue, and yellow plumage, is often regarded as one of the most colorful and visually stunning birds. The bird is very large and very colorful, and it likes to stay in the wild. Number 3. Hyacinth Macau. With its striking cobalt blue feathers and large size, the Hyacinth Macau is both beautiful and imposing. Hyacinth macaws can be found in parts of Brazil, eastern Bolivia, and northeastern Paraguay. Number 2. Golden Pheasant. The vibrant and intricate mix of rich colors in the plumage of the male golden pheasant is truly breathtaking. Golden pheasant forests in mountainous areas of western China, but feral populations have been established in the United Kingdom and elsewhere. And finally comes number 1, peacocks. Known for their extravagant, iridescent plumage and majestic displays, peacocks are widely admired for their beauty. The blue peacock lives in India and Sri Lanka, while the green peacock is found in Java and Myanmar. A more distinct and little-known species, the Congo peacock, inhabits African rainforests. That's all for today. And of course, there are numerous other bird species with their own and unique, captivating beauty. The world of birds is truly diverse and endlessly enchanting. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon. Bye!